Today I'm going to show you how to create a new template in GIMP. So if you want to do it, first we need to create a new project. So I go to File, then I go to New, and I will type here width and height that I would like to use as a new template later. For example, I type here 800 width and maybe 700 height. Of course, you can change advanced options if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. And after that, we need to click OK. So for example, I would like to save this file as a new template. If you would like to do it, you need to go to File, and then you need to go to Create Template. And now this one window will be successfully displayed. We need to enter here a name for our template. So I type here tutorial template, and then I click OK button. So now I will close this file. And if you would like to create a new file from template, you need to go to File and go to New, and then you need to select from the template already created template. So I need to scroll up, and here I have tutorial template. I need to click on it, and then I click OK. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.